Want to stop your iPhone from repeatedly restarting? Here are 5 quick fixes to try. First, force restart your device. Quickly press and release volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. This clears minor software glitches. Next, update iOS. Open Settings, tap General, then Software Update. Install any available update. Apple often patches bugs that cause reboot loops. Third, uninstall any recent apps. If the restarts began after you installed or updated an app, delete it. Press and hold its icon on the home screen, choose Remove App, then Delete App. Fourth, reset all settings. Open Settings, tap General, scroll to Transfer or Reset iPhone, then Reset and choose Reset All Settings. Your data stays intact, but system settings revert to defaults, which can stop malfunctioning configurations. Finally, as a last resort, back up to iCloud or your computer, then erase and restore. In Settings under Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap Erase all content in Settings, then follow the setup prompts and restore from your backup. This gives you a clean start without losing data. If you still see random reboots, contact Apple support. It may be a hardware issue. If these tips helped, tap like, share your own fix in the comments, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.